How to install Snaptoggle Anchors. Snaptoggle Anchors are easy-to-use drywall anchors for use in medium and heavy-duty applications. For this installation, you'll require a drill and a drill bit. Proper hole size is important when installing a Snaptoggle anchor. We list the correct drill bit size on the product details of each anchor. After drilling, make sure the hole is clear of any debris. Flatten the metal channel and slide the anchor through the hole. Pull the anchor towards you until the metal channel pulls flat to the backside of the drywall. Pull back on the straps of the anchor and slide the plastic cap along the straps until it is flush with the drywall. Snap off the straps and discard them. Fasten your application to the anchor using a machine screw. For sizing and more information on Snaptoggle Anchors, visit bulkdepot.com. Fastener shopping made easy.